going to be working on the car today. I've done some prep work to get the motor out. That's the first thing I'm going to have to do today is get the motor out. As you can see, I got the radiator out, got the exhaust out, got the plugs out, pump everything off. Everything's off, cleared off. Now I just got to get the chain on the engine, get the engine mounts undone, and then start undoing the transmission bolts, and then I'm going to pull this sucker out. So yeah, I'm going to get that pulled out real fast, and we'll get the transmission out next. Alright, hold on one sec. Alright folks, as you can see, it's getting a little darker out there. I got the motor out, as y'all saw me get out there. And there's the inside of the transmission there. That's going to be pulled out tomorrow because it's getting too late. I don't want neighbors complaining about noise. So we'll catch this up on day 2, okay? Alright, we'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, day 2 of the deal, and went ahead and got the engine off of the jack and onto the stand. Come over here, and not some good news, not some good news at all. And sorry about the mask, but neighbors are doing stuff, kicking up dirt and dust and everything, and my allergies just won't tolerate it too much, so I'm putting the mask on just to kind of help it out. Yeah, not good news on the motor. Not good news at all. Still haven't checked the transmission yet. I still got to check it. But anyways, I'll just show you. These right here are the rod caps. Right here. See this? This one, no move. No matter how hard I try, it ain't moving, right? This one, and it goes up and down. That is not good. That means the rod bearing, rod, and crank are bad. But yeah, that's not good. That's not good at all. It's going to involve some rod work, maybe some crank work. May even have to replace it. I don't know yet. I'm going to start checking on that tomorrow. Not the end of the world. It's not the end of the day. It just means that the Assassin is down. It means I got to break out the Viper. The Viper is, again, wasn't really made to run in this class, but borrowing some pieces off the Assassin, I think we can make it work. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get the Viper involved. Unfortunately, I didn't want to break him out this early. I wanted to be able to take my time and really go through it, but I'm not gonna have that choice. Yeah, the Assassin's down. Time to break out the Viper, and that will be on the next video. Okay, you'll get to see the Viper in its glory. in the next video. All right. Anyways, again, thank y'all for watching. Sorry we're having this downtime, but you know, this is a good time to check it all while I got some downtime. So yeah, okay, that gives you the report. So anyways, when you're at the track and not hurting anything, remember.